Hi, good morning. You there, doctor? Okay, waiting for Samuel. Okay, we change our classroom. So you can see. There's something wrong with our aircon. So we have to go to another classroom. I think doctor never seen before. Yeah, curtains. You can only see curtains. If you open the curtain, so you can see the surrounding of the Serangoon Garden. In my opinion, this is the best view. Okay, I like this classroom because of the view. Wait, I never open the curtain. This is coming. Yeah. Okay, I like the view here. We have the best view in Serangoon Gardens. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay, you can't see much. No. Okay, you only see trees. But what's happening is that there's actually a shopping mall at the other side. Yeah. Not sure. Can I actually bring this thing around? No, I can't. Okay, we actually have a shopping mall. You can't see it. Yeah. Never mind. It's a shopping mall. So we can see people just moving around, just downstairs, right? So I like this classroom because of the view. Maybe next time, do you ever come to Serangoon Gardens? Have you ever been to Serangoon Gardens, Blossom? Your grand aunties there, yeah. So if you ever pass by, we are here. Okay, just beside the mall. Okay, it's tiny little mall. It's called My Village Mall. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we'll be doing the revision for WA3. So I actually received a list of topics from Samuel already, okay, about his WA3. I think the other day you also sent me, right? Like, what are all the WA3? So the similarities I found is that you're all doing percentage. Okay, so today all we are doing speed and percentage and questions like that. So today, right, I'll be going through this paper. Now, this paper is a final year paper, but it has got all the speed and percentage and the revision questions, which will be relevant for your WA3. Okay, so that's what we're going to be going through today. So for, yeah, next time. So for a start, we're just going to be looking at one particular question first. Okay, let's just take a look at this. Okay, so you can look at this first. This one. Question number 11. Okay, can y'all try this while we wait for Samuel to come? I'll be looking for all the percentage question on the past year paper. Percentage and speed, right? You also test on speed, right? Speed. WA3. All ML names. Is it ML names? Zilong? What are all this? I don't know. I have no idea. Are they even ML names? Carrie, Layla, and Mia. So maybe the teacher is an ML fan. Okay, we're gonna take a look at this first. We're gonna get Mr. Samuel here. Right. Later, if we can, we'll give you a tour. Okay, Let's try this. What? What? 120. You get 120, Boston? He's so much brighter, right, this face? Yes. Okay, so Zilong suffered a 20% loss. He sold at $80. How much should he have sold his watch if he made a gain of... Yeah, this is actually easier. 20% loss. That means he bought the thing at $100. Then if you want to gain 20%, you should sell at $120. Okay, that's pretty easy. Thanks. Okay, let's find a speed question. Do you know the topics? Your test now? What's the topic? Graphs. Angles. Okay. Can. We look at this. Can. Okay, now let's try this. Graph. This graph. It's somewhere inside also. It's the paper. Blossom, you can look at this as well. Graph. Yeah, I'm going to stop recording this. Okay, so a group of Singaporeans was surveyed to determine which countries they would like to visit the most. The choices are represented on the pie chart as given below. Find the value of W. So this is 3W, and so you have 3W, and then we have W. So altogether that's 4W. Now the whole thing is 360 degrees. So I take 360 minus this 2, which is 200. That's step 1, 360 minus 200 equals to 160. Okay, so 160 degrees, right, is 4W. Okay, right? So this represents 4W. Hence, 1W equals to 40 degrees. That's the first thing. That's part A. Then part B. Hence, calculate the percentage of group who would like to visit Japan the most. So here is 120 degrees. Because 1W is 40, so 3W is 120. And this is 120 out of 360. So 5%. 120 over 360. Why over 360? Because one whole circle is 360. Then times 100%. Excuse me. Okay, so this is actually 1/3. 1/3 times, we get a decimal, 33.33%. Right, and then C. If 40 adults would like to visit USA most, find the total number of adults surveyed. So 40 is USA. Alright, 40 is USA. So 80 degrees, this ratio. So 80 degrees represent 40 students, 40 adults, right? 40 people. You can find, is that a shortcut? 40 degrees is 20 people. So I want 360 degrees. 360 degree, yeah, 180. It's 180. Yeah. Right, but it's percentage, huh? I know. So it's easy. Ah. Yeah. Is that right? Next one. Look at the next one. Here's our scenery. Always a lot of cars below. Not so many cars now. Our favorite restaurant is here. Roti Prata restaurant. Okay, giant tree. A lot of shops here. Got one celebrity restaurant there, somewhere there, at the bottom. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Classroom. Mini classroom, so let's go and find Samuel. I don't know where's Samuel. You can see the question, right? Okay. You do that. Yeah, I can bring this up to look. Okay, Blossom 看一下。Blossom, this is our reset. Let's see. Why? Why cannot see? Blossom, let's see you before.
Then she must on cam, then can reset what?
She must on cam.
Then she must see me.
Yeah, reset say you must on your cam. What's wrong with that one? Yeah, it's the first time we can bring you around and see, right? This is a big classroom. We were always here, right? Something wrong with the aircon, I don't know why. Right, so it's not cool at all. Actually, here also got a pretty nice view. Sure. This is, but we don't open. This is what it looks like. Okay, we got windows everywhere. But we got a poster here. So nothing much to see. This is the Prata restaurant. Very nice Prata restaurant. Today, not many classes. Yeah, we know the best. Not many classes today because of the a lot of them are online. What else? It's the entrance. Tour. Yeah, when they come into the right. So when people come in, that's what they'll see. Right, a lot of posters. One room, 2 room, and we are the last one. Connect. It's a nice neighborhood. Okay, so a sequence of patterns formed by dots is shown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of dots 1, 5, 9. So draw the fourth pattern. Basically, you keep extending up, correct? Extend up. So plus another one, right? So pattern number 4 will be you got the 1 dot. Oops. Then 1, 1. Oh man. Okay, this is pattern 3. Let's add one more. Right, just keep extending. So you see that the sequence is, you just keep adding 4. Keep adding 4. Right. What's the total number of dots in terms of n to form the nth pattern? So you can write down the number. You see 1, 5, 9, here 13. So we know that we keep adding 4. That means for B, the pattern must be 4 times of n minus 1. One more time. This is the beginning. Okay? Every time if it keeps adding 4, your this formula, right, must have a 4 n minus 1. But that's not the final thing. Okay? So you need to add one more thing. What's the one more thing? You need to add the first number. So 1 plus this thing. It's always the same. Okay? So we evaluate this and what do we get? 1 plus 4n minus 4, which is equal to 4n minus 3. Okay, 4n minus 3. So then, of course, we want to check. Right? Does it make sense? Right. So pattern. Let's try pattern 4. 4n minus what's 4n? 16. 16 minus 3 is it 13? Yes. Then let's try pattern 3.
Then some pattern is like every change different.
Again, say what?
Some pattern is like every change is different.
Some pattern is every change. What do you mean?
Like they will plus 3 then plus
Yeah.
5 then plus.
Yeah. So if okay, you see, so if it's plus 3 plus 5, right? Your 4 instead of 4 become 3. If it's plus 3, right? Just change to 3. If it's plus 5, don't put 4, put 5. You understand? You keep changing this number. Oh, what's happening? Keep changing this number. This is the number to change. If every time plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? Instead of 4n minus 1, put 5n minus 1. If it's plus 6, 6, 6, 6, right? 6n minus 1.
Yeah, but sometimes they plus is like not the same number.
Ah, okay. So if they don't plus the same number, you gotta try different pattern. This thing it works because they keep adding the same number. If you don't add the same number, you have to see if there's any other pattern. This one only works when you keep adding the same number. Okay. And after you add this, right, you have to add the first digit. The first digit must put here. That means this first digit you must put here. That's it. Okay. Other random one, right? You gotta try and error. Prefer sequence. Right. So once you have this, right, it's easy to do part C. Okay. So part C says pattern P needs 333. What's the value of P? So 4n minus 3 equals to 333. So 4n equals to 336 because we take the 3 put over here. So n equals to 336 divided by 4, which will give us 336 divided by 4, 84. Right, it's 84.
They are from P.
N equal P. P equal N. It's the same. Pattern P this pattern N N is the same as P. So you write P P equals to 84. Okay. So for simple pattern this rule works. But like what you say, if it's too complicated, then you have to do try and error. Different pattern. Okay. Next one.
The last one we have to divide by 4.
Hmm.
Then plus 1.
Say what?
The last one I do divide by 4.
Divide by 4 plus 1. You mean this one divide by 4?
Yeah, because the other pattern is like if you do like the pattern from about 13, then if you do pattern, if you do 13 divide by 4, you'll get 3.25.
Okay. Can.
Then it's like
Did you get 84? Same number? Oh, it's fine. So you have found another pattern, so it's fine. You understand? There are multiple patterns it's not always one fixed. Now the basic angles. Yeah. First one, angle X. It's 115. What's the reason? Angle X. Alternate or opposite? Yeah, vertically opposite. It's called vertically opposite. It's not alternate. Huh? Yeah. It's not alternate. No, alternate is another one. Okay. This is vertically opposite. Okay, angle Y. Yeah. What's angle Y? 115 also. What's the reason?
Opposite.
You everything opposite. Corresponding.
Oh, okay.
Corresponding angle. Okay? Why? Because later I'll show you how to remember, right? Then next one, angle Z.
Interior angle.
Angle Z is 60, right? Yeah. So this is interior angle. Okay, so we use all the different alphabets, right? Like, okay, never mind. You all know what it means, right? This is interior, then particular about opposite. Then what's alternate? Alternate has to be a letter Z, like this. That means this one equal to this one. This is called alternate. Right? Vertically opposite corresponding interior. Any more? Complementary and supplementary. You know? Complementary is 90, supplementary is 180 degrees. Okay? That's it. Very straightforward, this paper.